Hey, good morning, family. Welcome in. Day 2 on these new accounts. Just took a payout yesterday. We made the 3,100, took out 1,000. You guys can see the 52,100 left. Let's have another day. We just need $1,000 and we can get paid again. How blessed are we? These new accounts are unreal. Take advantage of them if you guys have not. Code TFF, trade them for freedom. Let's get it, let go, baby. Good morning, work. Happy to have you in here, King. So bright and early. Let's go, Ty. Let's see that max payout, brother. Let's go, sir. Jay, welcome in, King. Happy to have you. We did it, family. We made 5,000 yesterday. They took their 10%. We made the 4,500. And now we have the ability to do it again. Just looking for 50 points here. Make another 1,000. We can take out another paycheck. Baruch is in the chat. Let's go. Welcome in, King. It's been a while. Happy to have you, man. Been doing well. Hope you have been too. Let's go. Let's get focused today. NASDAQ. Lots of news dropped at 8:30. Tons of it. We have a little bit more here at 9:45. And then from there, gonna be crazy. You gotta have the volatility injection. Let's see what happens. Good morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here. Happy Tuesday. We started the week strong yesterday. Let's keep the momentum rolling. Need $1,000 today. We can request another 5K payout. Let's be careful, cautious, calm. No reason to get crazy with it. Market just opened. Here we go. Finding some selling through the VWAP. Overnight lows. Selling looks like it wants to continue, to be honest with you. Just feels like the sellers want to continue here. We do have the top of this wick for news that we could go auction towards. Here comes a VWAP fill. Market finding some nice volatility. Nice injection right now. Let's see what happens. Hey, yo, Coop. Good morning, King. Happy to have you, brother. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you. Good morning. Let's get it, Diego. Let's go, King. Stoked to have you. Now, NASDAQ flying off the VWAP at the 227s, up into the 280s, 290s, 70-point opening print candle. Yo, Ty, I got a PO. How do I support the channel? Never done something like that before. I want to support, brother. You got a payout, Baruch? Let's fucking go, dude. Hell yeah, King. I want to support, bro. Keep your money, man. I'm just happy to have you here. You showing up and dropping a like is all we need. And then if you ever want to use any of our, if you want to ever buy any new accounts, TFF, bro. That's the only way I'm ever going to want you to support. Keep your money, though. Don't donate. You're the man, man. Congratulations on the payout. Well deserved. Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, Queen. Jay says Top Step's lagging. Keep that in mind if you guys are participating with the old Top Step. Huge candle from the 209s into the 306s. Almost a 100-point opening print candle. Insane. W Baruch for sure. Congratulations on the payout, man. That's fucking awesome. That's what we're doing it for. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. 100-point opening print candle below VWAP to finding some support. I think we could go target the I think we could target the top of this data wick, but I don't know. We're gonna be patient here. Thanks, y'all. Bless all. Let's go, Baruch. Well deserved. I love hearing it, man. That's a W story right there. You're Elijah. Let's go, man. Been a while. Happy to have you back. Happy to have you back, King. Opening print candle, super strong. Looking like we're kind of want to auction towards the top of this data wick. But we'll see what happens. I'm holding along from VWAP. Did we sweep high of the day? We have not yet, Amy. High of day is another 90 points away. It does look like that's kind of where we want to get to. Can we get 10 likes off the morning? Come on, guys. Like I know we can do it. Work says we can do it. I believe in y'all. If you haven't yet, show some love to the like button. There's already 15 incredible people hanging out. If you haven't, show some love. Let's get those likes rolling. Saucy, good morning, King. Let's get it. Who are you trading with? Right now, Tradeify. Tradeify, Eli. Doing daily payouts. We got the 5K payout yesterday. It was beautiful. Gonna go for another $1,000 today. Get another 5K maybe. We'll see how we do. Did you roll contracts? I believe I did. NQH6, right? Is that what the new one is, Dave? Welcome in, King. Hope you're doing well. Hope the charts treated you good yesterday. And hope they continue to treat us good. Let's see what type of reaction we're getting. Strong pushed up to the 319s. Finding a little bit of reaction now. Back in towards this VWAP. Yeah, my contract rolled over for Top Step. I like that, Baruch. You got 5 accounts of copy trading? What sizes? Yep, copy trading 5, Tradeify daily payout accounts, 50K sizes. Yeah. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you, man. Hope your sleep was good. Hope you're feeling strong. Let's get focused today. We just need $1,000, 50 points, and we can take another 5K payout. Let's get serious here. Did you take a payout? Yes, I did, King. If you see here, 52,100. The 2,100 is the buffer, the only amount that you have to leave in there. So no, anything above that, we can take daily payouts. Looking for another 1,000 today. Did you go straight to funded? No, I did this the select accounts, Eli. So if you try to sign up with Tradeify, guys, we just got signed up with Tradeify as well yesterday. I had a meeting with Joe. We're officially an affiliate. Code TFF Trading for Freedom is live with Tradeify now. So yeah, Eli, if you want to go ahead and give them a try, man, I did this select accounts. It's a daily payout, 3-day pass, so it's a little bit different, but it's really attractive. $2,500 profit target, really doable, and then daily payout above the buffer of 21. So congrats on the payout, Ty. Thank you so much, Queen. Means the most. Yours is coming. How's your how'd that combine that you started yesterday? Is anyone Top Step working? My Top Step is not working. Boo. L Top Step. Project X down again. Good morning, Poppy. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Sorry about the charts, though. Project X falling again. No bueno from Project X there. Let's be patient here, guys. No need to get into anything too crazy. Strong opening print off the VWAP to start. Finding some support above the EMA. I think we could go target the top of this data news, but let's just be careful. Fuck, I'm gonna freak out. Sorry, Poppy. That's really unfortunate. Damn, and I'm in a trade. Wani. Damn. Welcome in, though, King. I mean, hopefully they'll make it right if something goes bad, though. My chat is tweaking, but if you see this, congratulations, Ty. Thank you, Baruch. Means a lot, King. I see you now, King. Bro, same. I was in a trade. We hold a lot here. Did we reverse from here? We're still stuck right at the opening print candle price at the 290s, I mean, right below the 300s. If you're in from the VWAP, you're in about 60 points in profit right now. Riding to see if we can see the high of day. Good morning, TLR. Welcome in, King. Super happy to have you. Happy Tuesday. Yo, there's already 25 incredible people hanging out, family. Thank you so much. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Let's get rolling with that. Hit our 20 goal. We're looking for $1,000 today for another 5K payout. I believe in it. We just got to focus, do what we can. Don't take anything stupid. Yeah, I haven't traded in a minute. Looking to jump back in next year. I like that, Eli. Taking the time off is good, brother. Taking the time off is good. I like these new Tradeify accounts. I think they're fucking exceptional. Daily payouts, cheap prices, very competitive for the prop space. And now we just see what happens. Decompressed selling volume coming into the EMA here. Buyers look like they still want higher. I think if we break above this flatness here, we break above the 320s, we could look for a little long continuation. Nice volume, nice candle here from the buyers. Nice volume here from the buyers. Kind of expect them to carry through the high of day here. Tyler, you got to pay out lately. Yes, sir, Wani. We got to pay out yesterday, King. $45 or $5,000 payout. They take 10%, so we made $4,500. NASDAQ looks like it wants to go take out this high. Here comes the daily print candle. So this is going to make us doji. We're dojiing right now in the daily. Kind of looking like we want to go see some upside here, though. Let's take a quick look at our daily while we have time. Oh, look at that wick. That's a gnarly little wick. We'll see what happens. I kind of think we could short the high day here, but could be dangerous if the longs want to play. Let's turn our trading on. I turned it off just so we could make sure nothing stupid happened to our accounts. But now we're back, baby. We hold. We should go sweep high the candle news. That's what I was thinking too, Amy. We just technically tapped it. Didn't sweep it, though. How many days did it take you to get the payout, King? So I bought the accounts, Wednesday? Did 40%. So I did 1,000 Wednesday, 1,000 Thursday, 500 Friday, and then yesterday got paid. So in 4 trading days, we went from having no accounts, 4 days later getting a payout, and had the chance to get another payout today. insane opportunity with these accounts. Haven't asked in a bit, but I'm just chilling today. Grab it or wax. Let's go. Give me some wax, King. It's too early. Feeling good about it. Show me that wax right now. Enjoy it for me as well. I got out early at 60 TP, 60 points. No worries. Way to front run it. They have a 40% consistency. How are you dealing with that? 500 for the 5 accounts isn't bad. 40% consistency is only for the to activate, to pass the accounts, Eli. So the $2,500 profit target, 40% means you need 1,000. You have to do it in 3 days. So basically it's saying it's a 3-day pass. So you have to make 1,000, make 1,000, make 500, and you can pass. Damn, that's amazing. Let's go, Corey. 4 days in, we got to pay out, baby. 4,500 times 5. No, Wani, it was 1,000. So $1,000 out of each account times 5, 5,000, and then they take 10%. So left us with 4,500. And then we have a chance for another 4,500 today after they take theirs. Hey, bro, look at the message, King. Bro, this is insane. I took screenshots. Oh, you sent me a message, Bobby? I'm sorry to hear that you're getting unlucky right now, bro. Got to go, Ty. Much love, brother, and get that second payout. Happy trading, everyone. It means a lot, Baruch. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for showing some love. Congratulations on the payout, man. And look forward to hanging out some more. Congratulations. Bobby's charts aren't working. Dang, but he's up big. But he's up big, though, Bobby. Let's go. Happy for you, bro. That's what it's about. That's what it's about right there, locking that in. Stay disciplined. Let's go work. Good energy. Man, I'm so sad because I literally was doing so well. They'll make it right, though, Pobs. I mean, they might not. I'm not sure about voiding profits or how that's going to go, but they'll make it right. NASDAQ being interesting. We got down to the 209s with opening print candle. Pushed all the way up into the 345s. We're hanging out below the data wick right now. Kind of think longs are showing them support. Still holding above the VWAP or the EMA here. Haven't seen anything too attractive yet. Let's be patient. Not seeing anything too attractive yet. Let's be patient. We have news here in 5 minutes, I believe. I believe we have the last little bit of news here in 5 minutes. So let's just see what that is. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'll have you trade it. You the GOAT, King. Let's go, Bobby. You got this shit. You're doing great. I mean, hey, you're up big. So I'm sure Top Step will make it right for you. Crazy that Project X is down again, though. Burr, it's chilly in this apartment. What's the code? Might look into them, even though I hate that they archaic platform. I'm telling you, it's really worth it, man. The platform, you'll get used to it. I started feeling way more confident with it, Eli. The code is TFF, baby. Trading for freedom. Active on almost all of our props or anyone that we're involved with. TFF, we're trading for freedom. We're not doing it for ourselves. We're doing it for our family. And we're doing it for freedom. So that's the code. NASDAQ rejecting that daily print. So if you see on the daily candle here, this is where we started inverting. We just rejected that price and starting to print back towards the bottom of this wick. So we'll see what happens at the VWAP. If we get weak at VWAP, I'm going to start looking for shorts. If we get weak at VWAP, I'm going to start looking for shorts, I think, family. We're overall on a very big downtrend. So don't want to fade that. Let's see if this is something that I want to. Yeah, we're in a very big downtrend here. See what happens. Sellers showing some strength, getting us back in towards the VWAP. Sellers step in. They did. Price action of December been bad for me, of course. I don't. You're not alone in that work. It's been really rough. Lately, started moving a little bit last couple days, but it's still been really tough. How did your Tradeify call go? I'm working on my first 50K now. Let's go, Corey. Good luck, King. It went great. We're funded. I mean, we're partners with Tradeify now, guys. We officially got a code with them. TFF, Trading for Freedom, can give you the cheapest pricing. It's crazy, too, because they are not working with many affiliates. And they found some value in our community. So, TFF, baby, go ahead and show them some love. If you guys want to try their new accounts, I'm telling you right now, I've been in this industry for a while, been trading for a while. There is no other opportunity like these right now. These select accounts, daily payouts, you can make literally 10 grand in 2 days, 15 in 3 days. And then if you went to the bigger accounts too, I didn't even think of this, guys. The 150K accounts, so we're running the 50s. The 150s have a $2,500 daily payout. So you can take out $12,500 out of 5 accounts every day if you got above that buffer with a 150Ks. So really just incredible opportunity that they're providing. Don't miss out on that. And right now it looks like we're kind of selling back towards kind of in the middle of our print right now. The daily candle, middle of the range. This is the high, this is the low. Be interesting to see where we go from here. Nasdaq kind of rejected previous day bottom. Found some support there from the sellers. Not exactly what you want to see if we were going to go take out that high a day. My God, have mercy on my account. may I get back on. You will, King. I believe in it. How many contracts you do? To pass, Eli, we had a lot of volatility. I didn't need many. I think I did like 1, maybe 2 contracts most of the time to pass. And then once we got past yesterday, the volatility was crazy. So we made good money. Made $3,000 yesterday on each account with just one contract. 3 different trades, or 4 trades technically. And yeah, there's already 30 incredible people hanging out, family. Thank you so much. If you haven't yet, show some love. Join this community. Join the conversation. We're all getting better. You're going to do yourself a disservice if you're not getting involved. Hit that like button. Easiest way to support the stream. Nasdaq holding above the VWAP right now. We still have the data news wick that we avoided at the same price of the opening print for the daily. So this is going to give us above bullish, below bearish. See what happens. We should break 200 down to see real move now. Just playing. I think I want to see the 200 break too. I mean, we'll see. But let's go, Ty. You got this today, King. Let's go, Bobby. I love the energy, man. 50 points, another $1,000, and then we can take another payout. Damn, Top Step ain't working. Fucking sick. Sorry, Sobs. Project X consistency there has been whack. Come over to the better people. Come over to Tradeify. That's what I'm saying too, Eli. Even though Project X is a little cleaner, it's always down, bro. 10 more likes for that 20. I know we can do it. We did it yesterday without even asking, with a strong family. Let's go. There's 27 people. We need 10 more likes. Show me some love, family. Let's see what happens. Sellers are starting to do the thing here, guys. If we start holding this trend line and respecting it, I'm going to look to find some trades towards low a day here. This is opening print candle. Our box is in. Let's get our first 15-minute range drawn out. First 15-minute range is in. And we're starting to auction towards the bottom of it right now. Here come the sellers, maybe. Here come the sellers, possibly. It's the second time I blew max all on Top Step. Satami, welcome in. First time I've seen your name, chatter. Welcome to the family, King. It's the second time I blew max all on Top Step. Crazy. Sorry to hear. I mean, I don't know exactly what you mean, but I know Top Step is down. So if you just blew accounts because of that, sorry, dude. That's insane. Bro, I'm stressing like a high school girl after the party. Poppy. Oh, we need 50 points here, family. We just swept through the bottom of the 15-minute range. Buyers are trying to hold, push us back in towards the VWAP. I would typically try a short here, but I'm going to be a little bit cautious. I don't love that we could easily find some support here now that we swept through the bottom. Buyers could easily start finding some volatility here, like we're starting to see now. They could easily start getting excited through here. Here we go. Buyers are trying. Whoa. Let's see if they can get there now. Swept through the bottom of the range, finding some support through the VWAP. Up about 100 points the last 2 candles here. Damn, my golden goose setup too. Sobs, no way. 31 people watching. Get those likes in. Let's go, Danny. I love the energy, queen. Show some love, family. Hit that like button. W Satami. Next time you buy them accounts, you will be the 1%. Take that payout, brother. Hopes, brother. Keep your head up, King. Let's go. Work. Good energy. Way to show some love. Nasdaq right now soaring towards the data news high. We rejected it, but finding some support. I'd be interested in longs, I think, now. Any pullback towards the 50%, I'd be willing to take an attempt at it. Tyler, the mic is a bit low today. Really? Sorry, Dave. I've even been talking loud. Can anyone hear me? Is my volume okay? Maybe I'm not speaking into the mic. with Top Step, once I get enough to make the 5 a contract position with ES, I have to look to use the full 4,500 to get me over that buffer, because otherwise it feels slow waiting to hit the 10K. It does. That's why I'm thinking too, Eli. You have to go for it with that, get over that buffer. It makes it tricky, but it's also worth. NASDAQ threatening towards the top of the 15-minute range in this doji print. The news high is at these 360s. I think if we take that, we're going to find some bullishness, but let's just be patient here. Really nice volatility to push us up and hold the VWAP. I think our first try of the day is going to be down and around here at these 270s. Stops are going to be below. So we're risking about 30 points here if we get a fill at the 270s. I'm putting an order in at 270, guys. I want to be a little bit lower. I like 265, actually. We're going to go ahead and go buy 5 limit at 265. Hopefully we get a pullback through here. I don't know if we will. This is really nice volume. We might actually get a pullback towards like the 300s instead. Hear you, perfect twin. Let's go work. I'm going on vacation Thursday, so I'll crunch the numbers on the 50K plus 150K accounts and see what makes sense. Is copy trading easy to set up? It's super easy to set up. Right here, you just go ahead and hit manage groups, and then you just drag them over, and now you have the whole group, and they can all trade together. And yeah, man, that's what we're looking at. LOL, bro. A guy on the Top Step Discord is spamming the same paragraph. He's upset too, Bobs. Is a 50-50, but with the strategy, it's more 80-20, which is good with. I do like the daily payouts, though, as opposed to waiting 5 days. It's 40% more money, if you think about it, if Eli. So on the normal accounts for most prop firms, guys, they're doing the 5K or 5-day payout period for 3K payouts. Decent, you know what I mean? Over 5 days, you can make 3,000. But with these new accounts, over 5 days, you can make 5,000. You know what I mean? 40% more money. NASDAQ threatening the top of the 15-minute range here. Still trying to break through, finding a little bit of reaction. Good volume, but not being able to continue through is a little bit interesting. I'm actually going to cancel our order right now. Make sure we take that order off. I'm going to be a little bit more patient. Don't love seeing that reaction, actually. This much volume should easily find some continuation, but we're struggling a little bit. Interesting to see. Made some Zaz for a party yesterday. There it goes, though. NASDAQ finally pushing through the data wick here. 386 is high of day. Looks like we're going to go steamroll it. Boom. High of day just got swept or teased. Not swept, actually. I'm expecting them to. How was the Zaz, Sabs? It sounds amazing. Hope the party was good, too. Excuse me. Hope the party was good too. Make a short how to set up the copy traders on Tradeify, please. I got you, King. You come in here. I'll show you how to do it when you get your accounts. Real simple. 40% sounds like more to me. 5K in less time. Very good. 40% is, trust me, it's way easier, dude. You only have to make 1,000 one day, 1,000 another day, and then 500 the next day, and then you have funded accounts. Like, it's really affordable. Usually, mostly are the 3,000s. You have to have 1,000 or 1,500 twice, but you have to make 1,000 once, 1,000 once, 500 once. You can get funded and then take daily payouts. Trust me, these accounts are fucking insane. Chance to make another 5K payout today. All we got to do is look for a good trade, make $1,000 bucks. Let's see what we can do here. The market's giving more than enough points. Strong volume there. Sweep through the highs. Got pushed right back inside of it. I'm going to try an attempt here, family. Part of me wants to try a short here, but I don't actually... Maybe the volume there is a little too aggressive for me. I kind of want to try a quick, thin short here, risking only like 15, 20 points. I'm going to do it. Sell 5 limit. I'm shorting the high of this previous wick. I like that we got pushed right back inside of it. We're going to have a quick stop on. So if I do get a filled, I'm going to go here and buy 5 stop above high a day. And we're going to basically just be looking for a rotation through the 15-minute range. The way that we're holding right here is decent, though. Decent for the longs. Could find some continuation through here. If they give us a chance for a fill, looks like we may not get filled. This gray line is the daily print, opening print price. So above that, we're going to be bullish. starting to print a little bit bullish on a wick. Right back inside of the 15-minute range now. Doesn't look like we're going to get the fill I was looking to get. And honestly, if we do now, I don't know if I love it as much. Yeah. I think I'm going to take off our short order here. There's a good amount of buying volume. Have a short order for the 376s. We're trying to hold the top of the 15-minute range here. It gets a little scary. I'm still going to leave it on because we're going to have a quick stop loss if we do get a fill. I kind of want to see this rotation back inside of the range. We already are in the range, though. I was hoping to get a fill. Of course, we didn't get a fill, and that would have been our 50 points there. That's brutal. Here comes the EMA. See the reaction here. I think this was our golden setup there. I think that was a pretty good setup there. I'm hesitating here, family, but I think I want to find a short here. I'm hesitating though. Reason being is that we pushed back inside the 15-minute range. We already swept the data high here. Still getting stuck at this previous trend line. I know that if the longs get excited though, they're gonna get really excited. I don't really want to be I don't want to fade them. Tell you what though, if this candle rejects the top of this range again, I think this is the day that longs are just going to be winning. Still looking for a potential short at these 70s. Trying to decide if I really want it or not. Part of me likes it. Part of me hates the fact that the buyers held the VWAP so strong. Yeah, I'm actually feeling a little bit more bullish than I was. I'm taking this order off, family. We held the top of the range pretty well there. Actually, I'm not. I'm still putting the short order in, guys. I lied. Shorting the 374s here. Gonna have a quick stop above the high of day if we do get a fill. Gonna be right here, buy 5 stop. We're gonna be risking about 20 points, about 400 bucks for a chance at getting a pay. See if we can get a fill. See if we can get a fill. As soon as we get a fill, I have to put our stop loss in. Risking about 400 bucks here. I will say buyers are holding pretty well. A little bit intimidating. Kind of bullish printing here. We're gonna know. We're gonna take a stop loss, take an attempt at it. This is an overall decent trade. Push back inside of the candle wick.
Order filled.
Stops are in now. Looking to see if we can get a reaction here. Could be a very quick stop loss as well. Buy 5 limit if we do get a love. That would be our TP down there. I think we're going to have a little sweep though. I'm going to try to give us a little bit more room. Not much. Not much. I want to see a reaction from these sellers at the top of this range. Otherwise, we're going to be cooked. I want to see the sellers trying to defend this top. Come on, sellers. Show me some love here. Defend the top of this. Push us back in toward the top of this 15-minute range. Battle price. Nice little battle price here. I want to see a reaction. I think we're going to be wrong. That should have been a little bit quicker for us. A little bit stronger of a pull. We're still stuck inside of these wicks, so you never know until it's done, but wanted to see us stay inside of these wicks and find the sellers reacting. Not loving the way that we're auctioning towards these prices. I have a bad feeling we're going to get a wick out and then the move.
Stop filled.
There's the $400 loss, family. Bummer. Still opportunities. Plenty of opportunities. I'm not going to love to see that, though. I'm not going to love to see us get a chance to get cooked if that whips back into that range. Do not front run me right there. Oh, do not top tick me, NASDAQ. That's one thing I just don't need from you. I'm very confused. I feel like Project X is being targeted, being DDoSed. It is weird, isn't it? How much contracts do you want funded? Once you funded, I've been doing one. LOL, on a good note, I'm up 220 on my 25K account on Apex. Let's go, Pobby. Definitely a good note, King. Take a few minutes to reset. I like that. I like that, Mad Max. Yeah, the first sell-off would have been it. Yeah, I know. First sell-off would have been it, and I fucking missed my fill. Painful. Tyler, they used to bully kids for wearing champion. Now the cool kids wear champion. You know what it is, Wani. You know what I mean? Now the cool kids wear it. NASDAQ pushing up into the 400s there, finding a little bit of reaction from the sellers. They're trying to break above this trend line on the hourly. I think for the most part that they're going to get it as well. And we got top tick so far. You still have buy order in. Thank you so much. Robbie's saving us right there. Appreciate that, King. Ty, that's true. I was the bully. Pobby. Keep sweeping the high right here, but we're still dojing. We're acting very weird. The way that price is auctioning at the top here. We just push back inside of the range. If we hold the 400s, I'm going to be expecting more to come. You can see us trying to break out of this trend line. We've been selling for the last couple of days. Lots of auctioning price we could go push towards. Here is Friday's low, I believe. Brr, it's chilly in here, y'all. Yeah, I would be long. I like that. Longs do feel decent here. Pushing us right back in towards this data wick, though. Yo, there's 30 incredible people hanging out, family. Thank you so much. If y'all haven't yet, show some love. Easiest way to support the stream. Hit that like button. Hop in this comment section. The community is amazing. Getting bigger, better every day. NASDAQ really got to give us a top tick. Is that really what's going to go down in history right now? Like, we literally just got top ticked like brutal. Is that what's going down right now? Is that what's happening right now? Nah, when I was a kid, champion was the cream of the crop. Big tripping. Yeah, see? Yeah, see? Sides with me. Champions where the cool kids are at. Wow. Feels like we're getting top ticked right now, family. Kind of insane. Not gonna lie to you, that hurts a little bit. Especially because all we needed was the 27s, right? No, 24. Okay. If that comes down to 24 right now, I'm gonna be a little bit in pain. What are the fucking odds? Beautiful top tick. There's the 24s. Holy cow. We got top ticked. That's cool. That feels about as bad as it can feel right there. So, okay. 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 If we, oh my God, should have given ourselves some more drawdown there. I like that reaction from the buyers here at this level. I think that's a pretty good reaction. I think they want to try to push this trend line still. Above VWAP's pretty bullish. VWAP's curling pretty nicely as well. I'm trying a long here, family.
Order filled.
I just marketed into a long there. I have a feeling these longs are going to hold these 45s. We would need like 15, I think, to be done with the day. Maybe less. Sell 5 limit. Sell 5 stops. Stops are in. See if we can get this reaction. I want to see these buyers push us back above this data wick. From there, I think we could go hunt the highs. Break even's already going to come on, though. Not trying to be crazy.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Taking this order off, too. I'm all in my fucking emotions. Why did we get top ticked on that trade, guys? God, that's so brutal. Feels so bad. Not a fan of this price action. Y'all remember a Cholo? I do, LOL. I had a pair of G units back in my day, straight laced them and everything. Yeah, so I actually remember. For real, Champion was tough. Never got the shoes, but did have pants and sweater in middle school. Y'all remember DC shoes? I lived in DC shoes, now Vans. Let's go. G units were so tough. I always seen people lack them. Now they shitting on, not gonna lie. And then we had to get a perfect comeback to our break even. Trading today is gonna fucking irritate me. God. That is enough to make a grown man drink. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. No love. Why did we get a break even there? Because I put it on like a scared little cat and now we'd be so close to TP. Oh, God. On the Air Forces with the bubblegum bottoms was a big rock and roll girly with a mohawk, and my DC shoes with colored laces. Let's fucking go. That's a vibe, Danny. my God, that break even was brutal there, guys. So brutal. Trying another buy at these 76s. That break even was painful. Looking to get a fill. Can we get a fill with these 76s, please, NASDAQ? Come give us a touch. And it does.
Order filled.
Now the sellers looking a little stronger than they were. Nice little selling action here. Coming back to the top of the 15-minute range. What was that sound? Did anyone hear that?
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck. $1,000 daily loss limit. Because we fucking... Dude. Are you serious, man? Fuck. Zob, good luck, brother, with the top step. Try to run as soon as possible. LOL for real, Zob. They almost passed. I'm 500 away. I hope they make it right. They will, probably. I'm gonna be sad if they delete my day. I was up 1.3K. I will say Top Step usually does make it right for people that were in the trades and shit. They do. But let's remember, Top Step, you just use the Project X. It's not on Top Step. It's on Project X. Still like a Top Step Pro. My God. We take a beautiful short, defending the top. It pushes through our range by fucking 10 points, and then goes all the way to our TP, which would have been our full done day. We take a nice long attempt, looking for the break of the day. Don't get it. That never would have actually paid us anyway. Get a break even. And then we take a nice pullback here, lose 600 bucks on it, and now we take daily loss limit, and we're done for the day. So, feels like shit. Feels really bad, actually, but nothing you can do. So I can still trade these two. I have $3 in drawdown. Oh my God, that's frustrating. You took a payout yesterday, yeah, Ty? Yeah, we did, Sobs. We took a 5K payout yesterday. They take another,
Order filled.
you know, they take their percent, their 10%. So we ended up only making 4,500, or not only, but yeah, that's what we got out with. Oh, wow. Now this account is going to go ahead and be the separator. Oh, my fucking God. You guys see that we have one account going right now? That's just crushing now. We'll go ahead and put our buy one stop in. Stop loss is going to go back to break even already. I don't even love that this account is separating. Don't know what to do about it. Gosh, that's how close we were, though. I think we could hold this price and start pushing to the upside here anyways. Could definitely hold this price and push right to the upside. Today's price action is tricky, family. I think I almost prefer this hits our break even, just so we can just have our 5 accounts at the same value. Essentially, they're all a little bit different now anyways because of that market in, but I'm just gonna let this ride in case it wants to be a fatty. I think we're gonna get a break even on it, but just in case, we're gonna let it ride. Wow. You can't make it up. I think it wants to hold this price here, though. I think it really wants to hold these 300s. Break even could get smashed. Wants to hold these 300s. Break even could get smashed. We have one trade that's going to be separating. Don't even know if I really want that to be the case. Oh, what a tough moment. Anything you did in settings, or is this a rule from Tradeify? It's a rule for these accounts, Danny. They only let you lose $1,000 a day before they'll lock you out. Nothing I can do. It's the daily accounts, the daily payout accounts. They have a max daily loss limit of $1,000. We're going sideways at these 320s. Wouldn't mind seeing it break to the downside. See the 300s fall through. Let's see the 300s try to fall through here. We're almost back to break even on that one account now. Painful. Painful. This should have been everybody. Oh, fuck, guys. Here comes the VWAP possibly. Breaking through the 300s. We have a break even on. Might as well just let this thing ride. Look at this account finally flipping over to green. Disgusting. Should have been all my accounts, not just this fucking one. Painful. Take it easy, Ty, and rest back. Now we chill, brother. Just remember your weekend was great, so don't let these days ruin it, bro. Let's go to work. You right, King. Is that something you did? That's why I hate daily loss limit. Only King, that's fire. Let's go. Today was a shitty day. My grandma's getting it. Took my old lady to the movies last night. Saw that new Magic movie. Now you see shit was fire. Now you see me. Shit was fire. That Now You See Me. I can't wait to see that. The third one. Hell yeah, Sobs. I saw that movie 2 weeks ago. Was a good one. Keeps you from tilting. Think positive. At least one count will go up. Up 1.5. Can't close my TP. Yeah, Danny, you're right, Queen. Never upset about a count playing out, and now we're up on this position, but fuck. That should have been all of our accounts. We should be up $200. We should be up so much on all of them. Fuck. Let's see if find some weight through this VWAP, huh? I would love to see the VWAP give up here and just go take out low a day. Just get some weight in our direction. Oh my gosh. Up 1.5, can't close. Sorry, Matrix, that's so shitty. Back-to-back 1K days on TPT. Need 6,500 more before end of year to crack the 100K in payouts. Diego! Huge, King. Congratulations. 100K in payouts here. We're knocking on the door. We got another month to go, bro. Excuse me. I believe in you. Sob, watch It. Welcome to Derry. Really good show. If you watch it, the It movies, it will be good to watch the show showing the past. Yo, Welcome to It, or what is it called? Welcome to Derry. Yeah, that looked pretty great. work. I'm excited to see that one too. Oh shit, there's a third one. Yeah, they just came out with it. I'm out from Short King. I mean, I like that, bro. Good trade. W's, bro, my stop step is bugging, boss. Yeah, sorry, Switch. You're not the only one, King. A lot of people are having issues with that right now. NASDAQ wants to see if it wants to hold this VWAP. We're obviously break even, no risk, no reward to hold. So I'm just going to hold and look for a big move to the downside. Might as well. Might as well just look for a big old trade to the downside since I can't do what I wanted to do. Guys, if we get this account to 1,000, I just take a payout out of it, right? And then what? Take a payout out of it. It'll be a little bit different than my other ones, but it'll be similar actually because of the, I don't even know. No, it's still gonna be down. It's gonna be up $1,000 on my other accounts. Here comes the VWAP though. This could easily be a spring pad from here. We could find a lot of excitement and push right up through it. I got stuck in negative thoughts more than I like, and I am learning myself to switch to the thought of a positive, and it does help. Helps a lot, Danny. I'm proud of you. It's a big step in trading. Oh shit, I seen the commercials. I have to check it out. Looks pretty good. Not a big super fan of Welcome to Dairy, but I did like when they showed the clown finally. Top step back up. I'm getting short on the first pullback. YOLO. Let's go, Sobs. Glad Top Step's back up. Good luck, everybody. Hope it all played out for y'all. Want to see the VWAP get weak here. Don't know if it will. Why didn't you just saw MFF release daily payout rapid accounts? Did they? Mad Max. MFF trying to get competitive. Daily payouts is attractive for anybody. Telling you guys. We're at 3. We need, what? From here, we need like 60 points. So I need like 208. 208 is our full TP. Sell, buy one limit. Buy one limit. If we can get down there. If we get to the 208s, is another $1,000 payout. And, damn, the accounts will be a little bit different, but we'll see what happens here. Breaking through the VWAP there at the 250s. Want to see if we can get deeper now. So upset that the shorts wanted to go ahead and wait for me. Oh, I had to front run that high a couple times. Holy shit, I did not need. My math is way off. I need 500 from here, which would be 25 points, right? So I need actually like 27. Fuck, what do I need? My math is off. 60 points from right here. 10. I don't even know. Let's just see what happens as we find some more selling here. NASDAQ is holding a VWAP though, so keep that in mind. I still like the fact that we could get it. The fact you had $3 in drawdown and you capitalized instantly, gee. We got lucky there. We really did. And I should have had my other account copying too, so we could have had that second one that's $3 in drawdown. Take advantage, but we didn't get any love with him. We'll take a $1,000 payout. It's not the end of the world if we can get there. If we go find the 200s here, it'd be nice. We'll take a $1,000 payout, and then we'll just fucking try to do it again. Although I'm not going to lie to you, the way that we're holding at this VWAP, I do expect us to find some longs somewhat. We need 40, so 20 points from the 70s. So I actually need the 50s. So is this a full TP for us? It's hard because there's just such a big range. I can't even fucking do the quick math. Might as well just let this thing move, huh? My God. Guys, if we had all of our accounts, we would have just hit full TP on every single one of them. I should have closed right there. I was up at the 1,000. Gonna trail my profit down. Still kind of want to see the bottom of the 15-minute range get traded now. Might just let it. Not sure. Might just let it. We could reverse down here as well, sadly. Right before I got my TP, of course. Gonna trail our stops, our profit a little bit higher than this VWAP. I think we're gonna come back up into the EMA here. Gosh. I'm up 3K on Top Step, but can't close my order. Damn, Matrix. Just got back out in a meeting. Did you blow the other accounts? No, I didn't blow them. You have a $1,000 daily loss limit. You're only allowed to trade or lose 1,000. So we have $1,000 tomorrow to do it again. Try to get payout. Now tomorrow we have to try to make $2,000 though. Same way we just made $2,000 today off these one fucking account. Insane. Just gonna let this thing move. I think we're gonna go see bottom here. Bottom of the 15-minute range. No reason to get out early. And I'll just take the extra drawdown and try to make some more. So here comes the selling. I'm hunting the 208s here, family. Now gonna trail below VWAP. I want to see the bottom of this 15-minute range get taken out at this point. Insane. Insane. Insane, family.
Order filled.
Absolutely fucking insane. Taking this order off, canceling everything. Wow. Wow. $2,600 on one contract, family. Holy shit. God. That's how close we were to having all of our accounts up $1,600 today. Fuck. Up $1,500 on my eval, locking that one out. Let's go, Danny. Let's go, Queen. Just got back from a meeting. That's 1K, pay the man. Bro, I got instantly lucky. I'm up 1.3K on the Top Step. Wow, what close. Let's go. I know, Corey, we got there. Just shorted 270s to 230s and half pass another 50K lucid. I blew 50K funded earlier. 2K is tight drawdown. Trying to get used to it. It is a tight drawdown, Dave. What a move down, LO, after I'm out. What a move down. Dave, when you get in those loose accounts, man, code TFF, brother. So show some love. W Amin, let's go, King. Trying to get a 2K payout in each of my 20K Apex accounts. Monkey, good luck, King. Happy to have you here. First time I've seen your name, chatter. Welcome into the family. Huge. Congrats on good luck for that 40K payout, dude. It's on your way. Big Blacks, let's go. Big Blacks, no wicks. You get it, GPT. Best trade I've seen you take. Good shit. Let's go, Diego. Let's go. And it's so weird because I'm in such a weird mood because of the fucking bullshit up here. That would have saved those 4 accounts. It really would have. Don't let hindsight ruin your moment. Dang, but wow. 2 more likes for the 20. Can we get there, family? There's 30 incredible people hanging out. Can 2 of you show some love? Hit that like button. Get us to our 20 goal. We can do it. Low of day. I think that is potentially where we're heading, Queen. Straight up. It feels like that's something like we could be looking for here. I am so bummed out, guys. And it's so stupid to be upset, but I am. Fuck. Because now these accounts are going to be at... What are these accounts at? 51,088. So I have $1,000 in drawdown tomorrow. Try to get another payout out of these other 4. And then 242. 242. This one has $3 in drawdown I could try to play with like I just did. I can't believe I didn't get to fill that. Oh. We're going to have to try our best. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. Be grateful. Come on, hype yourself up. I'm grateful, Queen, but how can I not be a little bit upset when I'm a fucking, I don't even know, a few points away from another max payout, and now my accounts are diverged. I don't like that. I have one account chilling at 53,000, which means he's going to take another payout tonight, so that's going to be a win. Can't be upset about another $1,000 coming our way, but it's really going to only be, I don't know. Tyler, I'm going to go work to pass this other half tomorrow. Tyler, I'm gonna go work to pass this other half, one half tomorrow. You got it, Dave. Good luck, King. I believe in you. Take the time away. I know you said you trade better alone. Yo, when you get those Lucid accounts though, brother, TFF. Easiest way to show some love. It's okay, King. At least you got to pay out. We did. We got to pay out of the accounts, so we can't be too upset about it. We got to pay out of the accounts, so we can't be too upset about it. And they're still alive. We could do it again tomorrow. We just have to earn it now. To really earn it again. I loved being above the threshold because then we could just make another money and take the money, but not this time. Not this time. Yo, can we just, for a minute though, the fact that we had fucking $3 in drawdown and just took a $2,600 trade is insane. Look at what you did with that one account, dude. It is kind of wild, huh, Danny? Just trying to show y'all my real emotions. Yes, I'm super grateful. I mean, it was a good trade. I'm really happy with it, but I just keep thinking about it, you know? Should have been all of them. Should have been all the babies. All the babies should have eaten. We're going to try another one on this account right here that has $3 in drawdown. Shorting the VWAP. Sell one limit. See if we can afford some drawdown love. See if we can do it again. $3 in drawdown. Looking for a top tick. Got to get lucky. Can we get lucky again?
Order filled.
Find some selling off this VWAP now. Find some selling off this VWAP. Buy one stop. Don't even need our stop loss in because it's just going to go ahead and bust us if we do get it to hold. Push back down there, Nazi. Hold that VWAP support. Show me some selling right now. Just like that. Good close. If we get a close below EMA here, I'm going to put our break even on. Nice reaction. Big old wick. That's what we want to see. Great reaction from our sellers there. I'm going to put our break even on now. See if this thing can give us any more love. Got that account a little bit closer to safety. Show me some selling here, NASDAQ. Don't come up and give us a tickle. I can't handle a tickle. Wanting to see avoid our price at the VWAP. See the sellers continue to load up. I want to see this wick get another big old wick.
Stop filled.
Bummer. There's a VWAP fill. Tried it. We tried it. We tried it. It's okay, King. Yo, thank you guys for the 20 likes. Work, you're the man. Showing love to Tyler and being here every day. Love the energy right there, Work. That's what makes you you, King. Appreciate that so much. Thank you guys, everybody, for showing love, hitting that like button. See how it goes. It got funded, but if I blow another 50K, I'm going to start switching to 5 MNQ until I get a buffer. 5 MNQ. Get that buffer built. Different strategy. Here I am. Account locked out when the order's still in. Hopefully Top Step do something about it. I think they will, Matrix. I'm sorry that you're dealing with that. I'm down on the day too, brother. I feel you. It's all right, Noah. We're here together. Tyler, can you start putting TFF on your title or somewhere? That way easy to remember. I can try. I'll put it in. I'll put it in places for y'all. This is the only one I have right now, but it has Lucid, and we're not trading with Lucid right now, so I'm not gonna put that there. But yeah, TFF, baby. I'll try to remind y'all. It always cooks when we don't care. Always, GPT. I don't even give a shit about this trade, and it crushes. What are the odds? Big blacks, no wicks, big blacks. Let's go, Work. We were trying. Look at that. Doing it again. How much are you going to request for a payout today? Only $1,000. That's all I can do. It's all I can do because I'm a loser. Just kidding. I'm not a loser. Fuck. Not a loser. It feels just like I'm a loser. That's all. Like, seriously. Wow. How unlucky. This right here would have been our full TP if I just took the drawdown. If I took this drawdown, this came back to our full TP, that 24s. We would have been done with our 1,000, been each account at 53 again. Instead, 3 of our accounts are at 51, and then 1 is doing okay. I don't know. I don't even know. You know what I mean? Like, how could I? Like, how even could I? 1,000 is a lot. I'd be happy with that. I appreciate it, Queen. I needed that. You're right. I'm greedy. My shit's been broken. Trading breaks our mindset, guys. I'm thinking like, fuck, give me my 30K payout. What's $1,000? But you're right. $1,000 is a lot, and I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful that we hit that trade with $3 in drawdown. That was a fucking awesome trade. That was really cool. It's just so frustrating to think how close we were to having another one, but the accounts aren't gone. We're going to do it again tomorrow, so keep that head right. Keep that head right. Keep it tight tomorrow, and we will be all right. Or take 1K in ones and throw it in the air. Take a K. No, not you, Ty. Come on, straight king energy. All see you, brother. Yeah, we rolling. We rolling. Those are bills and groceries. W Danny right there. W mindset. You know I'm not mad anymore because when I lost, I followed every single one of my rules, so it didn't even fluster me like that. I still do wish I hit, though. That's it right there. No, I love that. Good energy, King. You can't be upset when you follow your rules. I just wish it played out, and that's about as accurate as it can be. Not upset. I just wish it played out. And that's how I feel up here. You know, I'm not upset. It's trading. I just wish it played out. And then we hit a big one. 2,601 trade, man. That's amazing stuff. It was nice. It was a nice little move, Danny. Go PW, better watch out. There's enough to eat. Tie to the BDH. We should push for that. That would actually be kind of hype. Get on the BDH, do a little stream with the PW. See what he actually does on a daily. See what he thinks. I'm shorting this price.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, we immediately got cooked on that one. How, though? We just top ticked that. No. We just had another perfect top tick. That better fucking come up to this price now, because why did we just get... Dude, I need to see that come back up here. No. I need to see that come all the way back up here right now, NASDAQ. All the way back up here right now. Do not sell through now. We just top ticked the fuck out of that price again, guys, and should have got some love. This account should be alive. Oh my god. Oh my god. We'd be up $1,000 on that account. Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious, NASDAQ? Fuck. Pitching wedge. Dude. I don't know. I think it's a soft 9 iron, Sobs. New low of day incoming. Robbed. Yo, Top Step isn't working. Sorry, Bentley. You're not the only one, King. It's been going down for people. That's so gross. Laugh my ass off. It's... Yo. Oh my fucking god, dude. That would have been another $1,000 trade instantaneously. We'd have this account back to make some... Motherfucker. That is today for us, fam. I can't even be upset. That is just today. Okay? That is as close as you can possibly get to a top tick. Wow. Send them a screenshot of that one. Brutal. Painful, Corey. Exactly, TLR. You get it. Today is just one of those days, King. We can't win every day, and today is just one of those fucking days. Oh. Man, I feel bad. Would I feel better if that contract filled and we were up on this account? I don't know. We'd be up $1,000. We'd be almost profitable again on this account. We could be requesting a 2K payout tonight instead of a 1K payout. If this pushes to low a day, I'm going to be a sad man. Even though I already am a sad man. God. 84s. If this goes to the 84s, that's another 1,000. That's what we needed. If this goes to the 84s, this is just hunting for it too. 84 would have been our full TP. Would have been another $2,000 trade right there. Top Step knew we were gonna be cooking up, so they fucking with it. Exactly, Bentley. They're trying to keep the dogs down, King. It's all right. They win today, but they don't win the war. One tick against you is $5. The fact that you actually got the other one is insane. The fact that I got the other one's insane, but this one was even closer. That's my frustration. The other one like actually went down in drawdown by like $1 or $2. And if you look over here, this one went fucking 20 point or, 2 whole points past drawdown. So, yeah, you could afford me a fucking tick, Top Step. You could afford me the tick. I literally top tick the shit out of that. So yeah, I think I deserve that tick there, Tim. You know what I mean? The first one, what was it? The fucking 2-6. 2-6. This trade, look at it. We took drawdown on this one. Yeah, we took drawdown, and then it still respected us. This one, I took very little drawdown. 242. 242. I took fucking almost no drawdown, dude. God. That would have been another $1,000 payout. Whatever. I'm over it. Wash my hands of that. Gross. Done. I'm over it. You win some, you lose some, as long as the outcome is income. Shout out Drizzy. Hey, actually fucks with that. You win some, you lose some, as long as the outcome is income. Nice. Today was hard for me. I don't respect my rules. I'm down 1K, then I don't come back. Again, 1K down. Down to no comeback, LOL. Sorry to hear it, Amin. Tough day, man. It's not you. The markets have been tough today. This is really tough price action. Oh my gosh. The fact that we're so fucking close to another hit right there is so funny to me. Today was hard for me. I don't respect my rules. All right, I'm out, y'all. Got to get a quick workout in. Good luck to y'all. Have a great workout, Diego. Thanks for stopping in and spending your morning, King. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Market makers were waiting for you to take that short. Topher, they were like, do it. I fucking dare you. Do it. I dare you. We're going to go ahead and flood up to your price one more, not even a time. Like, again, I don't know about that. It went a quarter of a tick. All right, now it went 0.3 ticks. But yeah, I mean, it's all it needed. I was only $3 in drawdown. We couldn't afford anything, but of course, you know, it just felt like because the other one played out, that one should have played out. So that's what I was hoping for, but it didn't, so whatever. I won't be here tomorrow since it's my birthday, but we'll be back on Thursday. Happy birthday, Queen! Yo, I'm going to miss you. Happy B-Day. Enjoy your day. Do you have any plans? I'm not going to be here Friday, guys. I want to remind everybody again, I have a dentist appointment. I hate having to miss stream for y'all, but there's only so many days left I can do it before the end of the year to take advantage of the insurance benefits, so I have to get it done. I won't be here Friday, but I will be here Thursday, so wish you a happy birthday, Queen. Hey, happy birthday, Danny, for sure. Let's go. That's what I'm saying. You got an extra 1K tonight solely because the auto liquidator didn't get you. Should have been an extra 2K, though. WD Tyler, don't let the markets stress you out. And what happened today, just wash it off your hands and come back tomorrow. Appreciate you, work. Thanks, TLR and Pobby. It's insane, Queen. So happy for you. Head to my parents and spending the evening there. Hey. Let's go, Danny. Enjoy your day, Queen. Bro got that dentist appointment because the insurance is about to end to bend us backwards. Yeah, dude. Got to get it in while we can, Bobby. Short from 345. Don't know if my trigger order, I qualified for a payout. Short from 345. Don't know if it's my trigger order. I qualified for a payout. You better get that payout, Matrix. That's insane. I hope it works out for you, King. Unreal. Big day tomorrow. Big day tomorrow. King Noah, we're going to make all these back, brother. Should have been 0. No, it should have been 2K, sir. Should have been 2K. If the other one played out, then this one should have played out. And if that one didn't play out, then this shouldn't play out. It should have either been 2K or 0. Shouldn't be 1K. That's how I'm feeling. Should have been 2K or 0, not 1. But I'll take 1. Whatever. Whatever. We can't do anything about it. Congrats for the comeback on the account. Satami, appreciate it, King. Should have. Thank you. It means a lot. It really does. What I'm hearing is Ty is, yo, on Friday, I'm going to be at the dentist streaming live and trading. Streaming off my phone with my mouth open. My God, I'm taking a short here. No, I appreciate y'all for being here. Tyler, you're living the American dream. 5K payout, now $1,600 payout. It's pretty great, Dave. It really is, King. I will say, though, it's not a $1,600 payout. It's a, first of all, let me go ahead and hit trade mode now. So I can't take any more trades. Everything's done for the day. Let me go ahead and get my group back on. I'm trading the group again. So these are going to be at 51,000. That sucks. I have $1,000 in drawdown, $1,000 and 100 in drawdown, and then I have one account that is just eating 2.6. Where is it? This one? 53,000. So I'm gonna take 1,000 out of this. This will leave this at 52.7. I'll leave that at 52,700. So then we'll be $400 away from another payout on that tomorrow. So honestly, not the end of the world. It really isn't. It just feels a little bit weird. It does. It just feels a little bit weird. Everyone gets payouts in 2026. We deserve them. Let's go, Queen. They're coming for us. 2026 is gonna be our year. I'm excited for all of y'all. It's going to be an awesome opportunity. Stream from the dentist, bro. Show them the big blacks. Let's go, Jay. Any dollar you can take out is $1. Y'all are fucking right. Y'all really are. I'm being ungrateful. I'm being gross. I take it back. I'm sorry. I'm done. I'm happy. $1,000 payout, family. We did it. We had a beautiful little trade. I really was proud of the entry on that second one. I'm just feeling like, fuck. Would have been awesome to have that hold too. Would have been really cool. Have 2 comeback counts, but one is pretty great too. Hey Ty, how quick does Tradeify pay out? Is it really a few hours? I don't think so, Corey. At least not for my first try. You know, usually when you do a first payout, or when you do your first payout with new prop firms, they have to like set you up on their orders and get you like the live, get you their wire information and everything. So it might be faster for their second ones, but I haven't. It's not 24 hours. Not really quick. I still gotta wait. I've not been paid yet. I mean, if you don't want the 1,000, I think everyone here will take it from you. Valid point, Queen. Valid point. I started futures on Top Step and I already made 10 accounts on a bit more than 1 week. Some of you know better. Some of you know another better option for funding accounts. Satomi, I think there's a lot of good options. Right now, Tradeify, these select accounts that I'm trading right now, the daily payouts are unreal. Other than that, MFF has a really good order. MFF is cheap, and they just offered daily payouts as well with their, what they call rapid accounts, I think. So I think MFF or Tradeify if you're going to go ahead and mess around with some new props. And then if you start building up confidence, Apex. Apex is for the experienced people, for the 7-figure, 6-figure payouts. And then if you want to get better, I would use Tradeify or MFF. What's the trade mode button you clicked? Is that a lockout? Essentially, yeah. Because right now I can take orders, right? If I click trade mode on and take it off, I can't take any orders. So it's essentially locked out in my opinion. All these are trade mode off, so I can't put any orders on. So I'm essentially locked out, Dave. I started futures. Hitting the gym. Enjoy your day, guys. Jay, take it easy, sir. Appreciate you for spending your morning here, man. Good luck. Enjoy your session. Enjoy the weights. Thank you, sir. Of course, Satomi. No problem. No problem at all, sir. If you do go Tradeify, man, trust me. Go to Tradeify. Go select accounts. Start with 50k's. They're cheap, and go for the daily payouts. Really recommend those accounts more than anything. I missed it. Yeah, Dave, it is a lockout mode essentially. Right here, I can put an order in, buy, stop, sell. If I hit trade mode and turn it off, I can't put any more orders in, so it's essentially locked out. Show the trade mode again. Bro, making more than his dentist in a day. What a king. No, Dennis crush. Dennis crush. You have a code? Yes, sir, Satomi. TFF, baby. Trading for freedom. TFF, trading for freedom. We're not doing it for ourselves. We're doing it for our families. We're doing it for our future. We're doing it for freedom. If you do get those Tradeify accounts, you can use that TFF, sir. I can't see that. Slowly, haha. Okay, Dave, my fault. Ready? Right up here in the settings. So it's up on this little settings cogwheel. Hit trade mode. This pops up my actual trade, like this dashboard for trading. I'll turn it off again for you. Trade mode turns all this off. If I put it back on, it's all back on. Now I can put orders, buy one, sell one, buy limit, whatever. But if I hit this setting right now, trade mode, ready? Hit this trade mode again. Takes all my orders off. Can't put anything on. It's essentially locked out. Take it out your mouth. Sav, what are you talking about? Where is the trade mode off on Tradeify? Didn't know it was a lockout type feature. It's up here in the settings. So under contract details, stop type, bar countdown, and then trade mode. I can trade now. I can put orders in. But if I want to just kind of ease my anxiety and know that no weird orders can put in, smash the exit market, smash the exit market, and then go turn trade mode off. And now you can't put any more orders on. You're essentially locked out. Ain't no way Dennis Tom making 400K and then another 1K in a day at the office. Should have been 4.5K. Sorry, that was my greed talking again. Fuck. Should have been fucking 2. Nope. Should have been. Fuck. Nah, I appreciate you, Sobs. Thanks, of course, Corey. Utilize that. It's a nice little confidence booster. It eases the anxiety of trading. It's like, oh shit, I don't want to put any accidental orders on. Well, now I know that I can't. I literally cannot put any more orders on, so. All right, family. We did the thing today. We went for the Valhalla. We got kicked in the dick. Found some shorts. Got lucky on one account. Was hoping to get lucky on 2 accounts, but you know what I mean? We take what we can get. It's another day. This is a perfect example of trading. Things can go right, things can go wrong. We took a really nice short attempt up here that should have paid everybody, but instead I didn't want to hold through $200 of drawdown, so that stopped me from making $4,500 today. Be willing to hold through drawdown if it respects your price. Then we got to play through, and yeah, we took this really pretty trade. So proud of that one. We're gonna come back tomorrow, do it all over again. Tomorrow I'm gonna have some redemption. You know what I mean? We got to go for redemption on these 4 accounts. They got to go ahead and get us paid. So I think I'm gonna actually separate these accounts now. Unfortunately, trade this one tomorrow for the $400. Try to get another $1,000 payout out of it. $400, and then my other 4 try to go for the 2K. That's what we're gonna try to do. Other 4 accounts are gonna try to be at 2K tomorrow, and then this one's gonna be, we're gonna go for the $400. But W-Day Ty, everyone get some sun and make some sure to keep smiles on your faces. I love the energy work. Let's fucking go. Way to show love and show energy. I'm up 975 on 2 accounts today. Let's fucking go, Matrix. Congrats. Stay blessed, y'all. Have a good day and see you Thursday. Happy birthday, Queen. We're gonna miss you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Looks like they closed my order somewhere in the middle of the trade. And you're up, baby. I'm happy for you, Matrix. Happy birthday to our queen, Matrix, Sobs, Danny, Work, Switch, Dave, Satomi, Jay, Corey, Thomas, Pobby. Thank you so much for spending your morning, guys. It means the most. We're doing it every day, getting a little bit better, trying to do this thing for our family. James, welcome in. Sorry, we're just about to get out of here, King. Appreciate you for being here, though. And yeah, family, drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and the party will continue tomorrow. I appreciate you guys. Take it easy. Peace.